G'day trendsetters, just wanted to give you a quick update on the happy plant propagation, and I can see there's roots already coming out the bottom of the pot. It has been, according to when I posted the video of propagating the happy plant, 71 days, but these roots have been formed easily the last 2 weeks, so what's that, 60 days? But I'll just tip it out and I'll show you the root formation on the bottom. Hope you can pick that up all right. How close can I get? Try that. Happy days for happy plants. Now the other two, I did tip these out just before just to check, and they have just started showing signs of roots coming out, and you can see there's plenty of new growth coming up on the cuttings. Same with this one. This one's a little bit behind, but it is still, I did tip it out as well, and it's got good root formation on there. This one's taken off nicely. It's got 2 more shoots there and these guys. So there you go. Happy plant propagation from cutting has been successful, and as I said, dead easy. All I did was basically bung them in those pots, left them here in the shade house and watered them. All right. That's it. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.